simplysimplestamping.com, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip, and today we're going to talk organization. Last week I shared with you how I cut and prep my layering pieces for my cards, and so today I had someone ask, how do you store them? Let me share with you a fun and simple box where you can store all your pre-cut pieces. Pick your favorite color cardstock that's going to match your stamp room. You're going to need 2 of them, and they are 4 3/4 by 7 inches. Now these are both going to be exactly the same, but I'm going to do some scoring on it. So I went down the short side. I scored that at 3/4 of an inch and 6 1/4 inches. And then down the long side, I scored at 2 inches and 2 3/4 of an inch. You're going to notice 2 little squares here. We're going to cut up along those edges. I'm going to miter. I just simply took a little piece of pie. I cut from the inside to the outside. We're now going to take a bone folder and let's give all of these score lines a good crease. I've placed tear and tape here on 2 of the sides, and that's going to help me put my box together. So what I want to do first is I want to take this little tab. I'm going to adhere it to the piece without adhesive. Now, this is a temporary hold, so just some snail. You notice it's on the side with the tear and tape, and that's going to go opposite of the tear and tape, just like so. I'm going to peel away the backing, and you can see there's that little tab. We're just going to enclose that right in there. Let's repeat that with the other box. Find the outside seam, and we're now going to place tear and tape on all 4 sides of one of the boxes. You can come in with your bone folder inside the box to give that a good press. We're now going to peel off the backing, place them together like so. I can now come in, there's my very vanilla, there's my whisper white. Of course, you can decorate it, but for today's video, I just wanted to show you how you can create some great storage for your layering pieces. Guys, thank you so much for being a part of the video. I hope you found that helpful. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.